Sunday, I'm reviewing the SPY for the Friday trading, 5/24, 2024. Let's look at what happened on Friday. I said on Thursday, there's a big sell off on Thursday. And I said most likely we should have a retracement based on a simple strategy 1 minute, time minute, 1 minute, and 2 minute time frame. For the 1 minute, the 50 moving average should cross above 200 moving average. I projected, so it happened. Even happened on 2 minute, both time frames. Just very awesome. So you should be able to pick up about, I would say three, maybe 1.5 to 3 points range. So it's a nice, long entry trade. And then on Friday and then Monday is a holiday. So I assume, I didn't say, no follow through, but most likely probably there'll be no follow through testing the bottom of on Thursday's candlestick bar. So it worked out good. Let's look at the support resistance for the Tuesdays. Okay, let's look at it. For Tuesday, interesting, to point out, the Dow Jones 5-day moving average is already crossed below 10 days. I'm not sure, this is I'm not sure the SPY will follow or not, but but Dow Jones been a leader this year. Okay, and also look at the no follow through. What happened the next 3 days? Look at the previous example here. There's a sell off, big sell off, but no follow through. And then the next 3 days is just sideways inside bar. But this one is a new top. Okay, it's a new high here. So triple top right there. And this one right here. So no follow through. It kept on going. And this one, no follow through. It kept on going. So every time, no follow through, you can look at the pattern yourself. So every time no follow through, the next few days, either sideways or new high again. So I assume next week, most likely it will be sideways at least. A new high, don't know yet. Let's assume sideways first. And also on Thursday, sell off, retested the previous high, which is 52438, this level here, right? It tested here. It didn't break below, so this one's a support. And on Thursday, it didn't completely fill the first gap, but it's good enough, close enough, right? Only 1 point shy, so close enough. This gap, is filled. We still have 2 more gaps here. This is a big one, but don't know when those gaps will be filled. Okay, let's assume. Let's be more realistic. Let's look at the 524.38 level. This is a support for now. We know we can identify the support. This is a major support. Once it stays above 524, that means we will keep on going. Don't forget, we have the SPY 550 projection. That should be the ultimate high. I projected last week. Let's do it one more time, right? I say this is a cup and we have a handle. It's pretty obvious. Now breakout. Now should be, this one is about 100 point range, right? Then get a mirror image above, should be another 100 points. Add to the 450, so it will be 550 at least. okay, at least or more. Okay, that's the ultimate high. Let's say it will happen, but for now, since we look at daily, trading, let's look at support and resistance. For the Friday trading, it's perfect setup for long. The 50 cross 200 moving average worked. It always worked over and over again, so you can count on it. Put it in your toolbox. Okay, let's look at support and resistance now. Since it's for the 1 minute chart, 50 already crossed below 200. It's fighting. Okay, this is a mixed signal now. I'm not sure. It will go up again. We will see on Monday. Let the market tell us what will happen. And looks at support resistance here. The 5-day moving average is right now is a resistance. Below we got support 10-day and 20-day. But don't forget, I already pointed out Dow Jones, the daily chart, 5-day moving average cross below 10-day moving average. I'm not sure if SPY will follow or not. If SPY follow, that means it will retest 52438 again. Okay, it will retest this one, 524 trend line again. If as long as it holds, it should be okay. That means probably within the inside bar next week, and then wait for a breakout again. Once it trade below 52420, it will test 20-day moving average. And look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones already tested the 20-day moving average, but not SPY yet. So we will see. Interesting to see how it goes. And also we have a new high. It might retest the new high next week. Okay, let's look at the VIX here. The VIX is daily chart. Yeah, see, VIX is interesting too. We have a falling wedge, tapering. Now it's a tapering. Now it's forming a base. Now it's forming a base here. So most likely, probably within the inside bar range bound. Look out for the MACD here too. Once across, it might the market might turn around. When the VIX goes up, the SPY should go down. So watch out. From technical point of view, not much to see. Just use smaller time frame, to trade accordingly. It should be good. And let's look at the weekly chart. Look at it. Look at the weekly chart. The 5-weekly moving average crossed about 10-weekly moving average already, but not MACD. I'm kind of assuming the MACD should cross too. Should cross about, form a divergence. That's what I'm hoping. And look at the monthly bar for the SPY. Since we have only a few days left for the May, I don't think that there will be a big dip, pullback. Should be 523, a little bit lower, should be a good support level. So watch out. So the first support level, watch, is 524 first. Let's see it will hold. If it doesn't hold, and this one, the 20-day moving average should be the next major support, 519 or a little bit lower. Okay, since Dow Jones already tested the 20-day moving average, let's see next week SPY will follow Dow Jones or not. Let's find out. Okay, good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.